Ladies, my turn.
Yes, good morning. I'm on my way. Okay.
Bubbles. Peace and blessings, sister.
Peace and blessings to you too, Linus. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm good. Long journey, but good.
I'm so glad you made it safely. All right, come on in.
Bubbles. Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings, Professor.
Now, Bubbles, you know your purpose here is to refine all your skills, especially for the missions that you're on.
Yes, sir.
So I need you to work today. Are you ready to work?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to our ready stance. Let's get our hands up, loosen our hips, close all the air out. What we're going to work on today is I want maximum impact from your punches. So let's do the backhand first. Snap hard against this target, okay? Make sure you breathe because you have a tendency not to breathe. All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands on my shoulder. Explode forward. This leg right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Worker, Professor, worker.
Come on. All right, come on. One more. Let's go. Good.
Don't even try it. Mullins got that drop on you when your head was down.
Thanks, Linus.
Get her, Professor. We need her in tip-top shape.
Understood.
Let's go.
Dig. Up. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. One more. Good. Stay focused, laser focused at all times, no matter what.
Yes, sir. Kadaga.
Bucket of sweat, always.
Professor, look, their training, it has to be seriously intense. This human trafficking issue has spread far and wide. We're looking at people in Italy, Botswana, Uganda, Oklahoma, Texas, and Jamaica. So I need my sister warriors to be on point.
Let's not forget, that problem's also happening in South Africa.
That's true.
My focus has always been to get the Kadaga warriors ready, and you know that historically. But Bubbles is only here for a couple days, so she needs to step up her training more than anybody.
Professor, you know me, I'm always ready. One of the things is that the leads that we've been getting is showing that the ring is being run by a man.
Our latest intel actually shows us that it's a woman.
And it's also someone high in status.
Bubbles, look, with this new information, when you go back home, I want you to look in several places. I want you to look in the church, check out the politics, and I also want you to look for a high status woman. I know, but this is what the latest intel is telling us. All right? Now that's going to be your assignment.
Okay.
Jaguar has a different assignment. Now this is top secret. Nobody knows this, and this information cannot leave this space. She is going to go with Makanda International to go pick up her niece. She's been identified in Italy, and they're going to be leaving later on this evening.
Is this solid intel?
Rock solid.
Okay, so I have my marching orders. I'll be here bright and early tomorrow morning for training.
And I'll have the buckets ready.
My sister, safe journey, and please bring home Ruby.
I will, my sister.
My sisters, peace and blessing.
So what do you think, Professor?
She's a little rusty, but I think I can work with her.